we're going to show you a tutorial on how to play Scratch and also creating a dancing game in Scratch. So as you load into your Scratch screen, you see this cat on your screen. I'm dragging it out. So this is called your sprite. This is your sprite. You can name the sprite anything you like. And this is what you're pretty much going to code stuff into. And then this is what it will show. And you can see if you don't like this sprite, you can just delete it, like just clicking this button. Then if you need another sprite, just press here. Then let's find any sprite you like. So me, I want to use this guy. Since we're making a dancing game, and then you can choose more than one sprite. Let me reduce his size to like 50. Yeah, that's enough. So while we're doing, let's make his codes. So this is how you move. When green flag kicked, when space key press. These are like the buttons you press so it will start. Green flag clicked means when you click this green flag, it will do something. While when space clicked means when you click your space bar, it will start moving. But I use when green flag clicked. So you go to your looks. Then if you go here and drag this out and press the green flag, like I clicked the green flag code, it should say hello for 2 seconds. You can also change what it will show, like if I press backspace and say loser, for example, that I can now increase like for like 10 seconds. Then if I now press the green flag, it should just show loser for 10 seconds. But so for now, making a dancing game, I'm gonna make it say this is for 2 seconds. I'm gonna make it say I am winning for 2 seconds. So next, like if we're making a dancing game, you just can't talk. You also have to be somehow dancing, right? So don't I got you covered. Just press switch costume like this. If I press C, he'll switch his costume to a different version of him. And I can also change it to any version I like. I change it to F. You'll see he'll change his listen. I'm winning. Look, it will change. And as you can see, this looks kind of boring. Look, it's just a blank background. Well, I can do that by clicking this button right here. You can choose any backdrop you like. Me, I prefer boardwalk. Yep, boardwalk. So what this one will do, it will just like change the backdrop. So see, if I just press switch costume to next backdrop, then if I press green flag click, I am winning. Switch costume, it will change it back to the next backdrop. But for now, let's just go to like this. Then after that, then let's go to this backdrop. Let's just pick like another backdrop. So see, switch costume to the boardwalk after this. So see, I am winning. Switch costume. See. So exactly like I was saying. So I'll change this to MD. And let me also show you something. As you can see, we have no music. Let's just go to sound. I already have the music installed, but I don't like it. So I'm going to get another music real quick. And you can see it's showing me a lot of sounds. I can just pick anyone I like. Let's try this. No, I don't like that. No, I don't like that. Let's turn. No, I don't like that either. Don't like that. So let's continue finding another sound that I like. Boing. Where are the sounds? We need something that can go on repeat and is long. That's what I'm looking for. What about this? What is this one? Nah, still don't like it. You cannot create your own sound. But let me just find any sound that will go good with like song. What about this one? No. That one is almost good. I found the one. Dance man. Let's go. Let me just press copy. And let me just go here and just tap. You can paste it here. So I'm coming, guys. Let me just pick this. And it's here, I guess. Why isn't it adding? It's supposed to add here or something like. Yes. I think now it should work, right? Let me just try that. Let's make the costume play. About this one. Why is it not allowing me to add the thing? Just open that, open that, open that, open that, open that, open that, open that. How do I add this? Why is it not? I think I have to add it. Here. Now why is it not playing? And like I also showed you, these are all his costumes here. You can add. I don't know why this music doesn't want to work. Just duplicate here and oh, I think I know how. It's supposed to be like this. Exports, right? Exports. Since that's magic say, I should not be able to add it. How do I add this sound? It doesn't work. Wait a minute. Did the wrong thing there. So that is pretty much it. So if I press here again, I think I'm going to make it switch a lot of costumes, not just that. Also this again, then let me also check. No, I found it now. You know about that sound I was telling you about? You have to go here, play sound, and see. But I don't think it's supposed to be down here. It's supposed to be in the middle. Stop, play again. That's bad. I guess it's gonna be like this. Let's test it out and see if it's actually dancing. Cool. It will not. I don't think that this is aligned well. I think this part is supposed to come here. Then this part will now go up here. I think we need to switch back to up to. knew it! So it's that thing, it was the same. I thought be changing the costume, I guess. So this one can now be switch costume to F. Now let's add that. Don't worry, I know what to do. You guys are just thinking, dude, this is just like just one guy. That is how I'm gonna fix that first one. Let me just try it. This is gonna be my last code. Then let's try it out. I think I know the problem here. You know, like if you switch, let me just play like that. It wouldn't have any song and it will switch. So I think that's why it isn't working, is that it's supposed to go like this. Then we'll now add another switch costume. Then let's watch it. We now also add this. But then that means you can only switch 2 times. So let's add a new sprite then. I guess I did it. I guess I did it 2 times. Now let's add a new sprite. I'll be like this. You got a guy. Now you can see that all the code inside this guy, and we can copy it just like doing. Let me just copy it real quick. Control C. Then let me just Control V. Why am I pasting? I guess we'll just put different codes for this guy because he's different somehow. So what this guy will say is, no, I am winning. For 2 seconds. Now switch his costume to a different one. So if now see if I play it, he said I am winning, but no, I am winning. See? Pretty much almost done. Let me just reduce this guy's size. He's way too fat or big or whatever you want to call him. Good. Now let's switch his. Let's also switch his costume too. Stop staying. And this is how to make a dancing game in Scratch. Look, we're done. This guy doesn't move. Oh, I think I know why. He doesn't have the beat. Let's give him the beats. Let's add it like in the middle here, and then let's start it out. Let's also give them some space so we can see who is winning. Look, they are both dancing. Let me just add one more switch costume, then we'll be done for today. No, let's just leave it like that. And that's how we make a dancing game. So if you like the video, Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.